How Performance Max works for lead generation. It works wonderfully well for lead gen as well as for e-commerce. You just need to give it a bit of time, let it run. Ideally, you will need to test it or run it for about 6 weeks and see what happens. And you will find that it is going to cannibalize all the other campaigns for sure. It takes all the credit for all the conversions. Everybody is getting the same results. But at the end of the day, if the performance of the account improves and it increases your conversions, lower down your CPA, increases your ROAS, then just keep increasing your budget to Performance Max and keep scaling it. So yes, it does work wonderfully well. In fact, we as a business, we run our Performance Max to our landing page for people to sign up to our masterclass. So it works wonderfully well.